Get your laughing gear around these Philly cheesesteak sliders.
Battle plug is on.
Rear wheel drive today.
First step is throw your steak into the freezer for about 40 to 60 minutes. Par frozen, easy to slice. Yo! Ideally, you'd like to use ribeyes or scotchies, but I'm tighter than a fistful of arseholes, so I'm using rump cap or picanha. Now slice them up about as thin as roly papers. And should look something like that. Right, now you've done your tally-ho steak. Time to season up. You use salt, pepper, a bit of garlic, but today I'm using the award-winning Oz Dirt because I'm not here to fuck spiders. Let's pepper it with this bloody bugger salt. Right, now that it's suitably seasoned up, chuck it off to the side. We'll slice the sliders in half and we'll toast them up and work on the cheese sauce. Cloth under your cutting board so it doesn't slip. 1 garlic clove. Get in the hole. Ooh! Mince it up into a cup or something. Some butter. Beat the shit out of that. About a teaspoon of chili flakes. Now I've got the brioche sliders from Aldi because they're about the perfect size, but if you can't get your hands on these, some dinner rolls will be fine. And a perfect substitute for a 6-pack. Pick opposite of vertical cut. That chili and garlic mix we made before, nice thin coat. Now if you're doing the prep in advance like I do, so you can get on the can, chuck them back into the bag, seal them up, bang them in the fridge. Righto, for the cheese, we're going to do about 80 grams of sharp cheddar, freshly grated, and a little bit of American cheese. Righto, next step, we're going to toast off your buns into a pan on medium heat. A little bit of pressure at the start, give good contact so you're going to get a nice crust. Because in crust, we thrust. Should look something like that. Buns are toasted, about a tablespoon of butter into your pan, and we'll saute those onions. Or for the new players, low to medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become translucent. Onions are now done, they've taken on some colour, put them to the side. Righto, crank the heat up to medium to high, and let's do the steak in batches. That's what you're aiming for, a bit of crust and colour. Time to bang on the steak into the bun. We'll crack them into the oven until they're nice and crispy on top. Quick brush with that garlic butter that we made earlier. Into the oven at 190 Celsius until crispy. Now, if you don't have American cheese, don't worry. You can use the juice of 1 lemon and half a teaspoon of bicarb soda. That'll make sodium citrate. Half a teaspoon in. Heat on low. Now that that's boiled off, we're going to go with about 80 to 100 mils of full cream milk. Sounded bloody right. 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. Let's slowly add that cheese. How good does that look? Final glaze with that garlic butter again. Finish them off with some sesame seeds.
Make sure you bang that in.